I think narrative work could be soulless as well. If you've got people above you who are not easy to work with, and it's a clock in, clock out, come in, do the job, do the grind, and move on. And maybe the film doesn't even see the light of day. I start to see more similarities than I do differences. And the things that I have through unfortunate circumstances and failing pitches to clients and being laughed out of rooms and trying to learn through pain, the importance of learning and growing to understand how to hear and listen to the needs of the person I'm being asked to serve. And I think those, whether it's a client or whether it's a boss or a department head or a director, I think all those same things apply, of how to hear what's needed and find out if it's something you can be passionate about and whether you want to commit to, or if the money's enough. And there are such a thing as just paycheck jobs. And I've done those on both sides. Again, I'm back to some of the similarities, and that's sometimes I wonder if people's perspectives of the corporate is not, again, I guess it's getting a little bit repetitious, but to say that I think sometimes the narrative side would be better served to borrow more from the client to client business aspect.
Mm-hmm.
I have found that to serve me well when working with directors and helping them be successful and hearing well from them and helping them feel good through the process. Whether the film sees the light of day or not, I want to have good personal interactions.
Mm-hmm.